welcome to Mickey Art. Today I am working on this beautiful big oval. It is 18 by 26 inch or 45 by 66 centimeters. And I am doing a flip and drag. I haven't done a flip and drag for a while, and what I realized the other day was I like flip and drags when they work. So, I really must remember to bring some vanilla essence out. Somebody posted one of the comments in my channel. If you put a teaspoon of vanilla essence into your stinky paint, it won't stink anymore. So, I'd like to try that. Thank you for the tip, whoever you were. Sorry, I can't remember your name. Right. I'll do that in a minute. Now, I was re-watching my unicorn painting video the other day, and what I realised I did with that was I put that there to catch any drips. I only used a very, very small little cup on quite a big canvas. So I'm going to do that again. And I also did the flip cup and then put the white paint around it, rather than putting the white paint on first, then doing the flip. So I'm going to try that again. And so I'm going to see what I can create today. Tiny amount of paint. That's the deal, apparently. So, a little bit of white. Tiny little bit of white. I've got my Reno Art Crimson Red with silicone. I'm going to use my phthalo blue from Reeves without silicone. Now, last time I did ultramarine, but I haven't got any mixed and I can't be bothered. And this is some Viridian Hue. And then I'm going to go around again. Do you sing to you? Do you like singing? I do too. How much fun can you have? Alright, there is not a lot of paint in there at all. Let me show you. Okay, so probably, where are we? Where's our marker? Okay, so there's our marker up there of 20 mil. And we're down here, so we've probably not even got 10 mil of paint in there. How's it get any better than that? Let's get your centre back up again. Alright, move that out of the way so I don't knock it. Put the lid back on that. And pop that over there, out of the way. Oh no, I've got to do the flip, don't I? Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3, boop. Now I'm putting it up here so that I can hold it while I'm putting the white paint on. Now my white paint is house paint. It is from Bunnings here in New Zealand. Apparently it's available Bunnings Australia as well. and it is called Spring. Ooh, we've had an escape artist already. And it's super cheap. It's like $22 New Zealand for 4 litres. And then you add your Floetrol and water, and it gets magic created. Alright, let's just check that you are zoomed. Yeah, okay, cool. Okay, so this has had time to okay, sorry, we're not quite there. One of these days I'm going to be able to keep my hand straight. Okay. Well, we've definitely got some cells going on in there. And this is definitely not going to be a unicorn. What do you reckon? Ah, slippery hands. Got some bits in this from somewhere. I'm not sure where they've come from. Uh-oh. My pin that's underneath, lifting it up, just fell out. There's a bit in there. Alright. These look like smoke tendrils coming up through here. I really like them. I'm not a fan of the bottom bit though. So I'm just going to let it run off. What's that going on in there? Oh, got a big lump of colour. There we go. That's the way I like it. Woohoo! Hello, painting. I like you. I like you a lot. Just going to tip slightly this way. Just have it run that little bit there off there. Awesome. Oh my goodness, I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it a lot. Wow. So soft and gentle. Let's push it a little bit more that way so you can see it a little bit better. Oh, beautiful. Wow. Oh my goodness. When my hand started drawing 3 lines, I was like, I don't know. I'm not really keen on the 3-line thing. But now that we got rid of that big stuff down the bottom, I like it. Alright, I'm going to give it a bit of a blast with the heat gun. Not too much. I don't want to pop massive cells everywhere. Just get rid of some air bubbles that I'm spotting. And that's bringing out a few cells. And they're adding to it beautifully. How does it get any better? Oh my goodness. That's so, wow. I like it. I like it a lot. It really reminds me of like going up that way. So stand top, bottom. It really reminds me of smoke. You know, sometimes it's kind of like a puff of smoke will come up and go, and then it sort of drifts away and then some more will come up. Oh, it's so pretty. This little bit over here looks like a bit like a duck or a swan or something like that. I like it. I like it a lot. Alright, let's get you down and show you what I see. Okay. So, look at this. It's so pretty. So delicate. Almost nothing there, but there is. Check it out. Wow. That's so pretty. I like this color combination. You know, it was a very similar color combination that I used to make the unicorn. And was about the same amount of paint. So I think if I'm going to do flip and drags, this is what I need to do. Tiny, tiny, tiny little amounts of paint. I really like this bit here. Look at that. Oh, yum, yum, yum. Oh, how does it get any better than that? Alright guys, I'm going to let it dry and we'll come back and show you what it looks like dry. See you soon. Okay, so there it is, all dried. I did pour a little bit more off because I bumped it and mushed the edges a bit. So some of the bottom stuff got poured off, but other than that, I really like it. So check it out. Shadow, go the other way. It's settled pretty much the same way as it was, but now it's flat and not bold and shiny. I like it a lot. The wisps of possibility, my girlfriend calls it. So I like that. The wisps of possibility. I think that might be the name it goes by. What else is possible in your life? And how much fun can you have discovering that, choosing it, playing with it? And how much fun can you have with acrylic pouring? If you want to come play with us on the acrylic pouring for fun Facebook group, there's a link in the description, and we'd love to have you come play. Come share what you've been creating and contribute to more fun for all of us. How's it get any better than this? What else is possible? Two of my favorite questions from Access Consciousness. I adore you all. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you in another video if you choose to subscribe and come play. Bye bye.